Welcome back to another exciting edition of What's in My Bag. I'm Timothy Van Riper, and welcome back. I have two lovely things I'd love to talk to you about. This Patron bag, this Patron Margarita bag that I'm actually really stoked about. JJ, when you have one of the bags this thing comes in, I gotta show that off too. That thing's really nice. Anyways, I only have 10 of these. I only have 10 of these bags left. Actually, 10 total, not 10 left. 10. This is really awesome Patron bag too. Look at that. Check that out. But 10 bags. 10 bags, and then after the 10, all these cool little gadgets that come with it are going to be gone. So I'll still offer the Patron bag, which will be, bottle of Patron, the bar syrup, and the salt. But the shaker, the juicer, and the salt rimmer, or sugar rimmer, or tahini rimmer, or whatever you want to put in it. It's a 3-tier. It's pretty cool. Those will all be gone. You'll see the price below here in the description. And then over here, moving to this red one. What? Actually, hey CJ!
It's a red bag!
Oh, it's a red wine bag.
Hey guys, CJ Phillips, wine buyer here over here at Westport Whiskey and Wine. These are some of my favorites. We're going to keep this one rolling for another week because it's been a huge success. And thank you all for whoever's already purchased them, and glad you're enjoying them. Super stoked about them. So I've got a Crianza from Spain. Really, really super. Let me get this thing off.
There you go. There you go.
It's nice. Torre de Gold Bond. It's a Crianza from Spain. Just really, really nice. I think it's $21.99 normally. With this bag, you're going to get a pretty chunky discount, which is awesome. Really nice grip, really like super dusty tannins on this wine. Just very, very well built for the money. Probably my favorite cab right now is Iron and Sand from Paso Robles. I know I've been pushing the heck out of it.
That thing's delicious. Absolutely.
It's a bourbon drinker's cab for sure.
It's
like very just full-bodied and just a sexy bottle of cab. This one's cool. This is also going to be in next week's bag as well, because it's a carbonic macerated fermented Malbec, so it's really light, chillable. It almost drinks like a Gamay Noir, but with a little more earth. So really interesting bottle. And this is Cabernet Franc, which is a Cabernet Franc from France. Just
cheeky.
Beautiful, beautiful little bottle of wine. Just like barbecue, burgers, backyard type of wine. Also, I've got this little this Toscano blend. Mostly Sangiovese, just really bright, very herbaceous. You're going to want to pair this with, lots of poultry and pasta dishes and things like that. Finally, I don't drink a lot of sweet stuff, but this stuff is incredible. Did you try the red yet? So what they do is they just make a base red blend and then they add fresh fruit and do a secondary fermentation on it. So it's kind of sweet, like a Riesling sweet, not like a Moscato sweet or dessert wine sweet.
It's almost like a sangria.
Yeah,
not quite as fruity, but definitely starts going down that road for sure.
Just straightforward, good juice. Put this on the table and no one's going to argue about it. So that's pretty much it for the bag. I'm stoked. Again, I'm really stoked. You guys have been enjoying them. It's been a hit, so let's keep it going. Just gonna do it for one more week.
Cool. Well, that's our. This week's installment of What's in My Bag. I'm Timothy Van Riper.
CJ Phillips.
Cheers, y'all.
See ya.